Okay, friends, so this is Galaxy Watch Active 2, and we received this as a free gift when I bought the S20 Plus, by which Nara is making this video. So let's do unboxing, and it took a lot of time to arrive. You know, I'm angry because this is broken. I don't know why this seal is broken, but it's a free gift, so I cannot complain. So let's see. Okay, seems like this will come up actually. Yeah. Anyway, let's see how to do this.
Open two sides.
Yeah, you can do this. Yeah. So wow, so many things in the side, and this is the watch. Wow, such a small watch. So this is the box. So the seal is here. You can see this is the seal. This is the seal, and this is a, you can see is a Brazilian product. Means I don't know made in Brazil or what, but Watch Active 2, you can see. So is nice because getting something for free, why not? And something which is expensive. If we have to buy, it's expensive. It was for 2000 reais. In India also, if you buy Watch Active 2, is 36,000, 30,000 something. So it's a very good price, I can say, for us to receive this watch for free. And because in India they are almost giving nothing, and I compared the price when I saw the price of uh, S20 Plus, so it was cheaper in India. So there is something here, and I think these are the guides. I think something, yeah, because this is from Anatel is the, I don't know the name in India, but communication from the government, the agency, and this is the Watch Active 2. So okay, and what do we have? This is the wireless charger. You just need to put your watch on the top of this. I think this is the part. Yeah, seems to be you have to put your watch on the top of this, and this is the wire. I think that's it, nothing else is there. Yeah, so it's a very beautiful watch. Let's unlock this. I think I don't know which button will unlock. Maybe this one or this one, but I need to do the setup with the, so it's opening now, you can see. But I think it doesn't have any protection. I was thinking it will have some protection. Seems like it doesn't have any protection. Yeah, it should have some, but nothing is there. But it's beautiful watch, so I'll make another video for me to learn first. I really don't know how it works, how it functions. Thank you so much, and see you soon. So this is the free gift from Samsung.